Good morning students. Today we start our new lesson, that is pollution. In this chapter we shall learn about the four main types of pollutions, causes of pollutions, effects of pollutions, and how to control pollution.
Look at these pictures and think what is the main reason for the death of marine animals. What are the long-term effects of such loss of natural environment and animals? Word pollution in Hindi means pradushan. Pollution is such condition in which our air, water and soil are contaminated due to both natural and human activities. Means our air, water and soil becomes dirty because of some human activities. कुछ human इंसानों की activities की वजह से और कुछ natural reasons की वजह से. In this lesson we shall study about four main types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. We will study about its causes कि क्यों होता है ये reason. Then we will study about the effects, क्या असर इसका पड़ता है हम पर और हमारे environment पर. And then we will study about how to control these various kinds of pollutions.
We study about air pollution. Air क्यों polluted हो जाता है? Air is polluted because of harmful chemicals, gases and other particles which are mixed with air. एयर में जब हार्मफुल केमिकल्स, गैसेस और अदर पार्टिकल्स मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो एयर पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है. तो आते कहाँ से हैं ये केमिकल्स, गैसेस एंड अदर पार्टिकल्स? देयर आर नंबर ऑफ नेचुरल एंड ह्यूमन फैक्टर्स दैट आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कॉजिंग एयर पोल्यूशन. Some of the natural factors are sandstorms, dust storms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires and pollens from plants and flowers. ये नेचुरल कॉजेज़ है जो नेचर में अपने आप होते हैं. इनकी वजह से भी एयर डर्टी हो जाता है. सैंड स्टॉर्म, डस्ट स्टॉर्म मीन्स जो स्टॉर्म्स, आंधी आती है. वोल्केनिक eruptions मीन्स वॉल्केनोज जब फटते हैं तो उसमें से जो गैसेस निकलते हैं, हार्मफुल गैसेस. फॉरेस्ट फायर्स मीन्स जंगल की आग. एंड पॉलेंस मीन्स फ्लावर्स में से और प्लांट्स में से जो pollens होते हैं. This you will study in science, what are pollens. That also causes air pollution. Okay. More than the natural factors, the human factors are the main cause of air pollution. We pollute the air by emitting smoke from industries. See, you can see from industries smoke is coming out. And then from vehicles and by burning fuel and firecrackers. These are the human reasons. These were the natural reasons and these were the human factors which causes air pollution. And when the pollutants means गंदगी, combine with the water vapor in air, air में जो water vapor present है उसके साथ जब ये mix हो जाते हैं, they cause greater harm. For instance, when smoke combines with fog, it forms smog. And smog causes breathing problems such as asthma. And these we are seeing from last few years. Every year after Deepavali we can see the condition of Delhi. What happens there? They show in the news regularly every year during the month of November and December that when the pollution present there combines with the fog. No, from November season of fog starts. Fog means kohra. When the smoke combines with fog, this is smoke, and when it combines with fog it forms smog, and this smog causes breathing problems such as asthma. What are the effects of air pollution? Obviously it will be very harmful effect. So there are very harmful effect on human being and living beings. बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाता है एयर pollution. Polluted air irritate the eyes and harms the respiratory system. Eyes में खुजली होने लगती है and respiratory system, breathing problem it causes, okay, and especially ailments like such as asthma. These diseases are caused due to air pollution. Plants are unable to grow and prepare their food as soil and water are contaminated by air pollution. Not only human beings, even plants also suffer. Their growth becomes slow and eventually they die. Then comes, how can we control the air pollution? We can control air pollution in a number of ways. Our houses must not be located very close to industries so that the smoke emitted from the industries does not harm us. हमारे घर इंडस्ट्रीज से दूर होने चाहिए. The chimneys of our homes must be tall enough to release the smoke produced in kitchens higher up in the environment. तो जिन घरों में चिमनी बनाई जाती है वो बहुत हाई होने चाहिए, टॉल होने चाहिए. We must get our vehicles serviced on timely basis to keep them in good condition and to minimize air pollution. We must switch off our vehicles in case we halt at a place more than 30 seconds, especially at railroad crossings, traffic signals, etc. अगर कहीं 30 सेकेंड से ज़्यादा रुकना है तो हमें अपना व्हीकल स्विच ऑफ कर देना चाहिए और व्हीकल्स को टाइम टू टाइम सर्विसिंग करवाना चाहिए. Rather than burning waste materials, we can try to recycle them. जो वेस्ट चीज़ें निकलती हैं हमारे घरों से उसे बर्न करने पर एयर पोल्यूशन होता है, तो उसे रिसाइकल करने की कोशिश करना चाहिए. Whenever we go for shopping, we must carry paper bags and avoid using plastic bags. We must plant a tree every month to reduce effects of air pollution. So this is one more thing, we should carry paper bags, we should stop using plastic bags, and we must plant a tree every month means हमें पेड़ लगाने चाहिए, because पेड़ जो है pollution को बहुत कम कर देता है, उसके इफेक्ट को कम कर देता है.
Your homework is to read from the beginning till air pollution topic.